Welcome to Clever Cubs. Are you ready to have a fun quiz today? Guess the name of body part. Let's go! Which body part is this? You wear a hat on it. Hurry, Clever Cubs. Great job, Clever Cubs. It's your head. What body part is this? You can smile with them. Hurry up, Clever Cubs. Time is running. There are your lips. You are doing amazing, Clever Cubs. What body part is this, Clever Cubs? You use them to see the world around you. Hurry, Clever Cubs. Time is running. Great job, Clever Cubs. These are your eyes. What body part is this, Clever Cubs? You use them to clap. Hurry, Clever Cubs. Time is running. Well done, Clever Cubs. This is your hand. What body part is this? You use them to taste things. Hurry, Clever Cubs. Time is running. Excellent job, Clever Cubs. This is your tongue. What body part is this? You use this to eat, talk and sing. Hurry, Clever Cubs. Time is running. Well done, Clever Cubs. This is your mouth. What body part is this? You use this to smell flowers. Good job, Clever Cubs. This is your nose. What body part is this? You use this to hear things. Hurry up, Clever Cubs. Time is running. Well done, Clever Cubs. This is your ear. What body part is this? You use them for cycling. Hurry, Clever Cubs. Great job, Clever Cubs. These are your legs. What body part is this? You wear socks on them. Hurry, Clever Cubs. Time is running. Well done, Clever Cubs. This is your foot. Well done, Clever Cubs. You did a great job. If you like our video, please